get op, right? Get op just reading one character at a time, not character, like one part of the input at a time, and then do something with it, right? Either, well, first of all, you will save it into our input stream. Then you will check if it's a number or otherwise it's a character, right? Here, you can either use A2F or using the scanf to convert the number into convert the string into a number. All right, so let's go ahead and give a try on this one. I have provided you with the template code as well. So if you want to use that one, I don't know who decided to turn on or off those TVs. No, I don't know how to turn it on. Yeah. So you want to check if it's a number or not, right? So that actually depends on what's the output of it. Just A2F.
Over here.
Yeah.
So like A2F will return a number if it's a number.
Yeah, I think it's if it's not a number, A2F will return like 0.0. That, yeah, so you basically compare that to 0.0. If that's the case, that means it's not a number. Yeah.
Then we return a number.
Yes. Yeah. I guess you don't even have to return this number, right? Because this is a pointer. You already have this stored, right? You just do the return.
Just a return.
Right. That make sense?
Okay, just finish the.
Yeah. Because the type of the function is integer. You cannot return a pointer. Right? Yeah.
Value 0. Oh, I think I have to check all the brackets and everything.
Oh, okay.
And everything.
Okay. Yeah, it might be to do with the template. I think I run the template. It should work, but Yeah, the other thing you can try is instead of using A2F, is using a scanf, right? Because you already read your input into a string here, into the input string. So here you might want to use the scanf, right? You attempt to convert that into a floating point. So here is the version of using this A2F. Here, you should know that is the if A2F cannot convert this number, it will output 0.0. So that's how you determine if it's like a number or not. Sorry, yeah, yeah, it's a number or not. The other check you might want to do is to check if the input, okay, the input itself is 0 by itself, right? Because you don't want to ignore the 0 as input directly. So you have to confirm those two scenarios. Like either, okay, it is the number is 0, so that's fine, it's a number, or this is not equal to 0.0, right? Which is means like A2F then cannot process your input. In that case, it will return as number. Okay, this is a like predefined symbol we made in the code, just to help the main function to determine what kind of input you are getting. Right? Either it's a number or other character. Right? If you look at the main function. All right, so yeah, so today's class is a bit short. Essentially, what we have look at is the get character, put character, printf, scanf, sprint, scan. Also, we learned about redirection using this small or bigger symbol as well as the bar. That will dramatically improve the portability of our code. That means they can be used a lot of other places. Also, we use that example as like how to create a function that will lower the cases, and then we can populate it. By the way, we're talking about the cat function next lecture next week. We briefly talk about the macro, how that would be make things more efficient, as well as we practice on a little bit on the printf, scanf, and the sprint and fscan. All right, yeah, so that's it for today's class. And yeah, so if you have any question, please let me know. Otherwise, that's it.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I'm stop recording.